Is there something in the air? That question seems to be increasing, coming from a growing number of homeowners and occupants of commercial structures. Concern over indoor exposure to mold has increased as the public has become aware that exposure can cause a variety of health issues. In most cases, mold is easy to detect, either by sight or by an unpleasant, musty odor. More often, mold grows out of sight, and therein lies a serious problem. Depending on the person, skin rashes, sinus and respiratory infections, headaches, and fatigue are all common symptoms of mold exposure. Most at risk are the elderly, infants and young children, and individuals with severe allergies, asthma, or respiratory conditions. Mold spores are all around us, wafting through indoor and outdoor air continuously. When these spores land on damp areas, they begin to digest whatever they land on in order to survive. Carpet, wood, vinyl wallpaper, sheetrock, HVAC ducts, and insulation are all conductors, especially when moisture in these areas are undiscovered or unaddressed. Uneducated techniques for removal can actually do more harm, causing a massive release of spores into the air, contaminating other areas in the dwelling. Paint, bleach, and caulk are not a fix. It is necessary to clean up mold contamination, not just kill the mold. Homeowners are often caught in a dilemma, not knowing how to react to the discovery of mold. If the problem is ignored, it only gets worse. It will continue to grow, contaminating the home to the point where the structure and its contents may be lost. Failure to control the breathable airspace can result in long-term illness and costly medical bills. In commercial buildings, existing mold affects not only the health, but opens a litigation nightmare where lawsuits are filed for construction defects, loss of the value of the property, and willful neglect. Moisture in elevator shafts, parting walls, lobbies, pool areas, classrooms, kitchens, offices, all put the occupants at risk. In apartments and condominiums, months of time spent raising these buildings to dry-in stage exposes rain and humidity to parting walls, opening up possibilities for severe mold contamination. Further, building materials may be subject to the elements at the lumberyard as well as the job site, increasing the chance for mold to develop even before they are installed. Belief that the mold will go away once the building is enclosed is quite a gamble. Mold will lie dormant and come to life as soon as moisture finds it. This increases the risk of lawsuits due to illness, loss of property value, and failed revenue due to unusable space. Prevention is always the best course of action, but if you find you have mold, immediate response is the best course of action. MoldStoppers can offer a practical and cost-effective solution to your problem. Operating throughout the U.S., our only business is in the protection of new residential and commercial construction from mold, and in the testing and remediation of mold in existing structures. NAMP certified professionals will be on site making every effort to protect the occupants and prevent cross-contamination. Our product, Mold Block, is EPA exempt, FDA GRAS, ASTM tested, and eligible for LEED credits, the benchmark for green building. Whether your problem is a home crawl space or an 800,000 square foot hotel renovation, our staff has the experience to assist you in identifying and correcting the mold issue in a timely and cost-effective manner. Following the standard remediation guidelines, the inspection process is conducted by our trained specialists. After a visual inspect, pre-testing of spore samples, bulk testing or swab sampling is done to establish the location and severity of the mold. These samples are sent to an independent lab, which provides you with the initial baseline for the remediation. Containment of the contaminated area is established using polywalls and air filtration to keep spores from moving to other areas. Trained specialists will bag and remove the contaminated building material, careful to keep the damage contained. Areas will then be cleaned and HEPA vacuumed, removing any loose contamination. The site will then be treated with Mold Block, our patented mold treatment, which will kill any existing mold and protect the treated area with a 20-year warranty from future mold growth. Our product was invented by a team of chemists. They also invented Splenda. It is water-based, 100% safe, non-toxic, and perfect for application in existing buildings. Final cleaning and post-testing will be done to ensure that all mold issues have been resolved. The independent lab results are shared with the owner as proof that the building is healthy for habitation. Our greatest advantage to the homeowner or the builder is our transferable certification, which offers protection from any mold issues that we have treated for 20 years. Any issues that surface on any areas protected by our product are fully warranted, up to complete tear-out and reconstruction if necessary. Our cost, our responsibility. Whether your issues are in your home or in your business, don't risk the cost incurred by delaying your decision. Our costs are arguably the best in the field, and our treatment and long-term warranty is unmatched. Call us and let us provide you with a qualified, informative inspection of your situation. If you'd like our assistance, please give us a call at our corporate office, and our local representatives will be happy to meet with you and discuss how MoldStoppers can benefit your project. If you'd like more information on our company, visit our website at www.moldstoppersremediation.com or our product site at www.moldblockonline.com. Breathe easier with MoldStoppers.